You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from French. That is part of the lyrics of the Frère Jacques song, meaning ring the bells, the morning bells. Sonnez les matines. Sonnez meaning ring, les matines, which are the names of certain bells on churches. Sonnez les matines. So if you sing the Frère Jacques song, Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Sonnez les matines, ding, dang, dong. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.